How to book flight ticket from Google Flight. So for that, first go to your web browser and search for Google Flight and then press enter, and then you will get the Google Flight and then click on the first link. So that's their official website. So on here you have to give your place where you want to get in the flight and where is your destination place. So let's say it's Paris. Okay, so I'm selecting Paris, and then I'll have to select for the date here. So I'll select which date is this. It's September 30. I'll go for October 2. Okay, so let's select October 2 here, and in return I'll select this one in 11. So we have selected the thing, and then all you gotta do is click on this search button. So after that, as you can see, there are so many airways that's offering you this kind of thing. So Emirates allows you this thing. Okay, so select your flight from here. Let's see which one I will prefer. I'll go with Kuwait Airways. Okay, just click on that. Okay, they have separate tickets. Okay, all looks good. I'll go with the Kuwait Airways. Now as you can see, here is your price arrangement. So go in the bottom and click on this continue button. So from now in here you can select economy or economy flexi, whatever you prefer. I'll go with this economy, which is $5.99 USD. Just click select and continue. Okay, so now you have to select your return, what you want to return in. So I'll return with economy, same thing. So upgrade to business saver for only ato. Okay, no, I'll keep for economy. Okay, so I've just clicked on keep on economy. Let's see where we get on. For any medical assistant, your selection here to here. Okay, now you have to select your passenger details. For that, click on fill passenger detail. Okay, so in here you will have to provide your name, then the title of your name, like Mr. or if you're a doctor then give this thing, also your last name, your nationality, also this kind of thing, and then your date of birth, all those stuffs. So you can provide your email in here, then confirm your email, country selling code, which is for me is 880, and then your phone number. Also you can turn this on, fill emergency contact, where they can contact you in emergency situations. Just allow these things and click confirm to go to the final page, and then on there you have to give your credit card information and give your payment so that they confirm that you are confirming the flight. So there are some easy steps how you can book ticket from Google Flight, and thanks for watching.